In this video, guys, I'll be showing you the difference between EMUI 12 and EMUI 13. What are the changes? What are the things to expect if you upgrade from 12 to 13 for Huawei's EMUI? Let's get it started. Hi guys, it's me Richmond of Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. So right now we'll be comparing the EMUI 12 and EMUI 13. On my left, it's my Huawei P50 Pro running a EMUI 12. And on my right, it's my Huawei Mate 50 Pro running the EMUI 13. Now you can see that the icons are almost the same. Nothing really that different except the books logo is a little bit different this time around. Now we want to swipe it over to this side. You can see that EMUI 13 has a lot of those widgets that it's very friendly, that you can customize it, and yeah, see some of these tips is really nice. Now you can see the step counter, the weather, some of the reminders, and of course your buds if it's connected to your phone. Now on the EMUI 12, you don't get to see those widgets, but basically everything else is practically the same. The feeds, well, a little bit similar, nothing really changed. So checking some of these icons are the same. But on EMUI 13, you'll find out that you can freely customize this. Like you want to shrink it, you want to resize it, or you simply just want to make it like this or make it like this. It's up to you. Wherein you cannot do it here on the EMUI 12. Okay, so you don't have that ability to do so. Check the service widgets. Now on EMUI 12, the widgets are simply looking just like this. Very plain and simple, just like any other widgets. Now you can see on EMUI 13, the widgets are a lot more pleasing to the eyes. And you can even customize it to the way that you want. And you can even hide it over, so you can stack it like this one, so you can save a lot of space on your home screen, which you cannot do on EMUI 12, by the way. Now checking the control panel, well, it almost looks the same, except that on EMUI 13, you have super devices like this. But on EMUI 12, you have Device Plus. Basically, if you take a look at it, it's almost the same. But for super devices, you can do anything you like, drag and drop like those. This one is mere connecting to that device and sharing files and whatever's. I can say that these super devices gives you a little bit more flexibility to connect all of your super devices in one ecosystem. Now hovering over to the settings, you can see everything is almost the same except the Device Plus. Now the other things, it's well, almost the same. Okay, take a quick look. So you'll be finding some difference between the 13 and 12 when you go over to the security. Okay. I can see from the security feature, EMUI 13 has a lot more features when it comes to security. You can see that it can app lock, put some password vault. Well, basically it's also present here in EMUI 12, but this one, it has enhanced more security status, which you cannot see here on the EMUI 12. Now, if you check the privacy, you can see that this one, Huawei has enhanced your privacy a little bit more on the EMUI 13, especially if you don't want to send your location of your images to other people. You can do so here on EMUI 13. And it even has super privacy mode. Basically, it prevents your apps from accessing your camera, microphone, and its location, which is also not present here. Checking the location, it's almost the same. In the home screen and wallpapers, well, basically it is almost standardized. Display and brightness, sounds and vibration, notifications. Now, before I forget that you have something important here on the storage. Now, here on the EMUI 13. Now, this one, it has a little bit more flexibility if you want to have a little bit more storage as compared to EMUI 12. This one, it enables you to compress your files and, of course, compress all those images like this one. So guys, I honestly have no roadmap for all of those devices that supports EMUI 13 But hopefully Huawei rolls it out pretty soon and let us know when your device would receive those updates from 12 to 13. Now, as far as I'm concerned, the EMUI 13 gives you a lot more flexibility to connect between your devices, lets you have more privacy and security, and it even lets you save more space on your phone. Now guys, if you want to know anything else that I haven't discussed, you can pop it on the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer it. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon so you don't miss any future updates here on my channel. And so, I'm Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?